the Oban MFR. It's .22 caliber. It's putting out about 30 foot-pounds with Bisley Magnums. I've only got it back from service, that's why there's no scope on it. As you can see, the stock's picked up a little bit of damage as it was being transported. My own fault really, as I didn't secure the air bottle securely in the package and it slid down inside and took a lump out of the pistol grip. Nothing big. So I'm going to completely repaint the stock, do it camouflage colour, and this is sort of the before picture, you could say. So hopefully I'll not make a mess of it. Now I've removed the action from the stock and I've locked it into this gun vise here. And I've already 6mm drill bit, 2 wooden 6mm plugs and a piece of mahogany big enough for the palm shelf. That's about 12mm thick, it's whatever was laying about the workshop. If you can see, I've drawn a pencil line along the grain halfway across this, marked the centre and drew 2 other lines 1 inch apart for drilling the drill holes for the 6mm plugs. I've also drawn a line along the length of the end cap for the pistol grip, marked the centre and marked 2 lines 1 inch apart, which I'm going to drill holes down into as well. As you can see, I've sanded the surface up and the edge is much sharper now, so hopefully it should leave a very good finish up against the other piece going on top of it. Now, take my dowels, which I've cut the length, insert them into the piece and push them down into place. What I want to do next is take a sharp pencil and draw around the stock onto the other piece at where the stock starts and finishes. Like so. Now when you get your line, pencil line drawn out, that's the exact size of your end cap. Now if you want it flared out, you can start at the nose here. I usually start a little ways out and then follow the line around like so until you start to get near the heel and then decrease it. And then I'll put a piece of masking tape over that, trace that line out, put it onto a piece of cardboard and then use the opposite side of it to trace the exact same on this side, because it's very hard to freehand draw both of them exactly the same. And then place a piece of cardboard I cut out onto the central line and then draw around it. It should give you 2 exact profiles. As you can see, I have it cut out with a bandsaw and I even finished it off around the edges with a disc sander. Now I want to bevel this out round from about 2mm up from the bottom to the line we drew round the end cap, the pistol grip, and then we're going to curve it. I'm going to take a sharp plane and slowly work our way around. As you can see, I've beveled the edge of the plane, and now I need to got a slight curve into it. I'm just going to use a dowel with a bit of sandpaper wrapped around it to get the curve I want. Every now and again, check the joint out round. If there's anywhere sitting proud that needs a wee bit more, take your pencil and mark it. So you can go back, clamp it position and find a bit more of it. Then when you've got your end cap fitting nicely, take it off, take a nice bit of sandpaper again and just clean them edges round there, round them off nice and smooth, but leave that edge there sharp, the edge that's going up against the stock, because that'll give you a good fit. So you have them rounded off, take a finer bit of sandpaper and go around, smooth it all off, and even take a bit of fine emery steel wool here, clean it all up, smooth all the rough edges off. Now comes ready to glue on. Now I'm using an epoxy resin. Before you start with this, make sure you've got everything you need. Damp cloth, your cramp, and everything laid out. Everything fits okay before you tried it, because you want to get so much time to work with that stuff, and when it goes hard, it's hard. Now I've rolled up a tight towel and stuck it into the well there above the pistol grip, so I can get a purchase on it without damaging the timber with the cramp. Don't worry about mixing too much of the glue. You're better having too much than too little, and having to go back and mix more. Give it a good old squeeze. And then apply pressure. Take your damp cloth. And wipe off the excess. Okay, the stock's been sitting over the weekend, so the glue should be well cured by now. Take her out, take the cramp off it. And there's still a wee bit of a ridge. I'm going to take a wee bit of fine emery and finish that off. Blend the two pieces of timber in together, try and get a seamless join. Now I've finished sanding the edges in together. I've even put a wee bit of filler, dark filler, into the damaged parts of the stock and finished it all off with a very, very fine grade of steel wool. And as you can see, it's not looking half bad. Now if you were really liked keep your natural wood and that, this stock hasn't got too bad a grain in it. You could touch that in with some stain, but it's an old stock, it's had its knocks and bumps, and I really want to go over it with a bit of sandpaper and finish it off with a bit of camouflage coating, but I'll do that at a later stage.